Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove a Macy's security ink tag. So first step is to identify the tag. Locate the security ink tag on the garment. It usually has a bulging portion. Number 2 is to use a powerful magnet. Hold a powerful magnet to the bulging portion of the tag. Squeeze the two halves of the tag together while holding the magnet in place. Third is to disengage the mechanism. The magnet will release the spring-loaded plunger inside the tag. Gently pull the two halves apart to remove the tag. So, important note is to be cautious when handling security ink tags. If not removed properly, the ink vials inside can break and stain the garment. So basically, the mechanism inside the tag is simple. It consists of a spring-loaded plunger that locks onto a serrated pin. When the magnet is applied, it moves the plunger, allowing the pin to be released. This action unlocks the tag, making it easy to remove.